Hey everybody, welcome back. It's fall, it's getting chilly, the leaves are falling. So you know what time it is? It's a great time of year to make the Thanksgiving Margarita. I can't wait to put this thing together. So let's get out our shaker and start mixing. So you're gonna need 2 ounces of pear juice. You're going to need 2 ounces of your favorite apple cider. Johnson's is my favorite. We go a long ways to get this stuff. Actually, not really. You are going to need 1.5 ounces of gold tequila. And you're going to need 1 ounce of premium orange liqueur. I love Contro. It's very good. This is what we use in our jalapeno margs. They are the best. So I've got our glass with a rim of salt. We're going to put a few cubes in there. We're going to put the rest of our cubes in the shaker. We're going to shake this for about 9 or 10 seconds till you feel the shaker getting real cold. I'm going to pour this over ice. Oh, look at that. Perfect pour. We are garnishing with a lime and a cinnamon stick. Look at that. Is that a gorgeous cocktail or what? All right. So that right there is a gorgeous cocktail. Now, you can actually use your cinnamon stick as a stir stick because you want a little bit of the cinnamon taste. That brings out the fall. So let's give this a shot. Wow, now that's a taste of fall right there. This is a delicious beverage. I'm going to go ahead and polish it off. I thank you for stopping. Please click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click that notification bell. You'll get notifications when I post new videos. And have a great fall and enjoy your fall drink. See you next week.